welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. We are here with our 1987 Porsche 944 5.3 liter LS Swap, which is an L33 aluminum block, and nicknamed Porsche McPorscheface. So I actually got these Fox Racing Shocks 2.0 series quite a while ago, but my shoulder was broken and I literally just now opened the box, which was dumb because there's some mistakes that I made. So these shocks are basically ordered special to bolt directly where the Porsche OEM shocks were. So they're the same length, they're very similar in size. I bought adapters for the 12mm bolts on the top because those are half-inch spherical bushings, bearings, joints, whatever they're called. The bottom, of course, unfortunately, are also half-inch, although the car had a 14mm bolt, and 14mm is larger than half-inch. So we're going to go down, and I bought the Racer's Edge spherical bearing mount thingy. So this is from Racer's Edge. It's custom ordered to fit the Fox half-inch spherical bearings. And I also bought limit straps so we don't screw up our axles again. So basically we're ready to put the suspension together, and sneak peek on the exhaust. That's all you get. Okay. Anyway, so that's our update for today. Still no progress on the electrical system, as you can see. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned. We are finishing repairs on the convertible first, and then coming back to the Porsche if our co-driver has any free time. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. So I almost forgot the whole point of making this video. So when you look at the pictures online, this reservoir is less than half the size of the shock body. But my dumbass thought that applied to all the shock models. Well, apparently the reservoir is a standard universal size, and the shock body obviously changes. So I can't mount this reservoir to this shock body. It's just not physically possible. So now I'm going to have to send this back and pay to have this hose lengthened probably a whole foot or more, and then mount this up under the trunk, because it's not going to mount to the shock body. So just another one of those race car things that race cars do, because race car fucking shit. So expensive. But again, since these are bolt in place, I've saved myself several $1,000s and months of cutting and welding all my suspension and shock tower components. So we're still coming out ahead, just gonna take a little more time to get it right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully none of you saw this because most people don't make it this far anyway. So see you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive